is powerful, the how is easy.
If you want to know something about yourself, sit on your bed one night and say, what's one thing I'm doing wrong, that I know I'm doing wrong, that I could fix, that I would fix?
We got to change what we focus on from the question of what do I have to do to what's my outcome? What do I want? What's most important to me? What's the result I'm committed to getting? That one change will change completely how you respond to it.
If successful and unsuccessful people share the same goals, then the goal cannot be what differentiates the winners from the losers. James Clear, Atomic Habits. Many of us have worked so hard just to earn a few bucks, only to see it disappear by the end of the week. Meanwhile, on social media, people flaunt their wealth, living their best lives. And you wonder, well, why not me? Am I not good enough? Is the money game rigged? Are these people just born lucky? It's easy to think that wealth is out of our control. But what if I told you there is a way to achieve financial success? That there is a formula for making money, maintaining it, and growing it? If there is one thing you need to understand, it is this. Getting rich and staying rich are two different things. In this video, I will break down the key habits that separate the wealthy from everyone else, and how you can apply them to build a brighter financial future. Many believe wealth is just about being in the right place at the right time. But the truth is, wealth is built through consistent daily habits. Wealthy individuals don't stumble upon success, they create it. One of the reasons millionaires become millionaires is because of their constant desire to learn. Dave Ramsey. Thomas Corley, the author of Rich Habits, found that 67% of the wealthy watch less than an hour of TV per day. 86% love to read. 88% read for self-improvement for 30 minutes or more daily. Billionaires like Bill Gates, Mark Cuban, and Elon Musk are dedicated readers. Bill Gates reads approximately 50 books each year, equating to one book weekly. Mark Cuban spends over 3 hours a day reading. Elon Musk is a dedicated reader, and when inquired about how he learned to construct rockets, he stated, "I read books." The key isn't just reading, it's reading the right books, biographies, leadership guides, and self-improvement material. Think of success like building muscles. The more you train, the stronger you become. Knowledge is power, and wealthy people make sure they're always learning. If you do something like read a lot of books and talk to a lot of people, you can learn anything. Elon Musk. Your network determines your net worth. Research by Harvard psychologist Dr. David McClellan shows that 95% of success or failure in life is influenced by your social circle. Forbes mentioned that it's widely known that one of the best ways to improve on a skill is to practice it with someone who's better than you. Think tennis, skiing, poker, yoga, boggle. Yes, you will have to work harder, think faster, and learn more fundamentals. You'll sweat and have sore muscles, but after a while, your skills will improve. And eventually, you might even be good enough to teach someone else a thing or two. Successful people know that the right connections open doors to new opportunities. Surround yourself with winners, mentors, and people who challenge you. The more you engage with high achievers, the more you elevate your mindset and skills. Have you ever set a goal, started strong, but lost focus along the way? You're not alone. The difference between wishing and achieving is having a plan. A dream without a goal is just a dream. Denzel Washington. Wealthy people don't just dream of success. They set concrete goals and take action. Instead of saying, I want to be rich, they create a step-by-step plan to get there. Forbes emphasizes that achieving success requires meticulous planning and dedicated effort. You can't set goals without being able to properly manage your time. Time is the most valuable resource, and wealthy individuals manage it wisely. Learning to manage your time effectively is crucial. Effective time management leads to increased productivity, helping you achieve more in less time. So, prioritize your tasks, eliminate distractions, and stick to a schedule and ask yourself this crucial question: is what I'm doing today moving me closer to my goals? If the answer is no, well, it's time to reassess how you're spending your time. Money talks, but wealth whispers. Jen Lancaster. Being frugal doesn't mean being cheap. It means being smart with your money. Many people spend impulsively on luxury items they don't need. Instead, the wealthy focus on essentials and long-term financial security. Benjamin Franklin put it best: be aware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship. Avoid unnecessary spending and think long-term when it comes to finances. Budgeting. It's a word that can cause some people to cringe. Let's face it, it's essential for building wealth. Think of budgeting as a financial blueprint that empowers you to take control of your money. Having a well-crafted budget enables you to track your expenses, identify spending patterns, and save effectively. As financial guru Dave Ramsey eloquently puts in his best-selling book, The Total Money Makeover, a budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. When you create a budget, you grant yourself the ability to prioritize your spending and allocate funds to the things that matter most to you, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a home, or investing for the future. By keeping your finances in check, you position yourself to invest more in your future, allowing your money to work for you rather than the other way around. Remember, taking the time to plan your budget today can lead to greater financial freedom tomorrow. Rather than letting your hard-earned money collect dust in a savings account, explore innovative ways to make your money work for you through investments in stocks, real estate, or even starting a side hustle. Diversification is the only free lunch in investing. Ray Dalio. Wealthy individuals don't put all their eggs in one basket. They spread their investments across stocks, real estate, and business to minimize risk and maximize returns. Diversification is a key strategy to building long-term wealth. Speaking of investments, have you heard of the phrase, money makes money? Wealthy individuals never allow their money to sit idle. Instead, they invest it wisely to generate returns. Motivational speaker Les Brown reminds us, shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you land among the stars. Many of us are afraid of taking risks. However, gambling money away and taking calculated risks are way different. One is planned and is non-reliant on luck, while the other is just pure luck. You hope for the best, praying everything will work out in your favor. We see many people go around purchasing lottery tickets, hoping that this time it'll be a winner. According to Investopedia, when it comes to the lottery, no matter which game you play, your odds of winning are vanishingly small. For example, the odds of winning the lottery are 1 in 292.2 million. Think about that for a moment. You're more likely to get struck by lightning, be attacked by a shark, or even become a billionaire through hard work than win the lottery. Instead of hoping for luck, invest your time and money in opportunities with higher chances of success. This means focusing on strategic investments, developing valuable skills, and seizing business opportunities that put the odds in your favor. That's not how wealthy individuals go about investing their money. They ensure that each opportunity they take has odds within their favor. In other words, it's a calculated risk with a high return on investment. This mindset empowers wealthy individuals to embrace opportunities that many others may shy away from. They excel at assessing risks, understanding potential rewards, and taking informed leaps of faith. Remember, Fortune favors the bold. Without taking risks, you might miss unparalleled rewards. Well, the greatest investment you'll ever make is in yourself. Expanding your knowledge and skills unlocks new opportunities and increases your earnings potential. The journey to wealth isn't about money, it's about developing the right mindset and habits. Walt Disney said it best: the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Which habit will you start applying today? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on financial success. Until next time, keep striving for greatness. You've got this.